Hi and welcome. So in this video we are going to set up our project and then we are going to create some folders to give our project some structure. And this is also to organize our work. So we are going to create the Portals project, and before doing so I want you to know that I'm using version 5.4.4. I strongly recommend you to use the same Unreal version as I do, or else I cannot really guarantee that everything will work properly for you, okay? So make sure you are having the same Unreal version as I do. If you don't have it, you can just click on the plus here and install it from here. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is click on Launch. And when you do that, you will get this window. And we are going to create a game. So I'm going to click on Games. And we are going to use the first person template. So I'm going to click on this. And you can name it whatever you want. And make sure to select the proper location. So I'm going to call my Udemy Portals. Maybe something. I'm going to call it Udemy Portals. I think that's good enough. Make sure Blueprint, because this is a Blueprint project. Desktop is the target platform, quality preset maximum, and then we are going to use starter content. The starter content is a package that gives us assets to start prototyping our level. And we're also using the first person template, which will give us this first person character. And this also allows us to use this gun that comes with it, so we can shoot projectiles with it, and also eventually, later on in the project, we will actually spawn special type of projectiles that spawns portals for us. So yes, we are going to create a portals system here, so we can teleport through them. So I'm gonna click on create now to create a project. All right. So here is a project. For me, it just took a few seconds to create the project, so it's fairly empty right now. And if you look to the content drawer, you can see that we are having all of the folders here. We are having these folders here basically are from the starter content. First person's arms, an FP weapon, and so on. We're going to go to the content folder. I'm going to right click and create a blueprints folder. And really, we are going to have all of our blueprints in here. And I'm gonna leave it as it is for now, but later on we will add more things to it as we go. There is one more thing I want to point out, really. To this lecture, I have attached a portals image, and I want you to include that in your project. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to go to content folder. I'm going to create a new folder called assets. And really, what we can do is we could really just move everything we have here in the assets folder. But what I'm going to do is to leave everything as it is, and all other assets, for example, my own files I have created, I will put them in here. It's really up to you how you want to organize your work, but I feel like this is the best. So What I'm gonna do is import that. I'm having it on my hard disk, but for you, you need to download it from the resources section for this lecture. It's just a portal image, so I'm gonna show you that. I'm having it here in my hard drive. I'm gonna go to Backups, Udemy, My Courses, and here it is this portals image. So I'm gonna just drag this to my project, and what you need to do is just drag it in your project as well, just like I'm doing, and then click Save All and save. So really it should look like this. It has a transparent background. The line around this circular green shape here is red, and the color is green in the middle and red around it. And we will of course, be able to adjust the color. And this asset is really made by me in GIMP. It's a program called GIMP. And I'm no expert in doing those kind of assets, but this is really good enough for this project. And if you want, you can come up with your own later on and replace this asset with your own asset. Also, I'm gonna show you how you can create your own really cool looking portals with Niagara, because these will really look professional. Niagara is one of the systems in Unreal for creating, effects like explosions and so on. The older system is called Cascade, I believe, but we are going to use Niagara, the new system. I'm going to show you how to create a really nice looking portal with a lot of particle effects, and you can style it however you want. Create your own type of portal, and it will look pretty nice. All right, so I'm gonna close this window here. And so currently it should look like this for you. You have the assets folder, the blueprints folder, and you're having all the other assets here. And I'm gonna keep it like this, so we will continue with this in the next video. So thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.